Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make this super delicious piri piri sauce. For this recipe, I used tomatoes, bell pepper, sweet pepper, chili peppers, habanero pepper, dried peri peri peppers, smoked paprika powder, onions, olive oil, vinegar, cumin, salt, bay leaves, and garlic. Start with cutting all the ingredients. Heat a skillet over medium heat, drizzle some olive oil in it, and char the veggies and peppers. I used a variety of mild and hot peppers, and I used dried piri piri because I could not get my hands on the fresh ones, but if you have access to fresh piri piri pepper, you can choose to only use that. Put the veggies and peppers in a blender. And add vinegar and olive oil. Add some cumin and salt and blend it. At this point, I'm adding my paprika powder. I like to taste it and see how much I like to add. Now you can leave it just like this, but I like to cook it to thicken it up a little bit, so I cook it over medium heat for about 10 minutes. Store it in a jar and you have your own piri piri sauce on hand. For more pepper sauce recipes, check out this video on how to make Ghanaian shrimp chili sauce, or check out this video on how to make a tomato-based pepper sauce. Thanks for watching, guys!